Are you looking for a cheaper alternative to flatlay and or to create backgrounds that look amazing? I have a cheaper budget solution for you, and you can customize it any way that you want. This is Rita's idea for making a flatlay background for the product photography. So, inspired by her ingenuity, I decided to put a twist on it. A DIY faux slat wall made from Correx board and contact paper. And that's what we are going to make now. You will need paper, contact paper, specifically for the wood effect. You will need a background contact paper as well. I have the black. The black is in between. Alright. You will need Correx board or foam or cardboard, something similar in texture and strength. About 6 pieces out of one of these slabs. You will also need a cutting board and then some type of knife, craft knife. So when it comes to the pros of this slated wall, it's lightweight, budget friendly, easy to travel with if you need to take it on vacation with you, easy to make and highly customizable as you are only limited by how many different types of contact paper you can find. So when it comes to the cons of using this as a background, it can wear and tear quite easily. This is just Correx board. It's lightweight, it can break. Also, another con is you might be limited to what you can find. If you do not have a lot of variety of contact papers, you might have to go with whichever one you can get. Thing to notice, there isn't really a lot of depth and detail on this one, particularly because it's quite flat. I made it very flat, and also, as you have noticed, there's a shine, and you're not necessarily looking for that shine when you're doing product photography, in which case what I can tell you is to try and adjust your light to put it slightly further away, slightly a little bit higher, and to add extra layers of diffusion if you can. And this idea was just amazing from Rita. I'm so glad that she saw it somewhere online. Did you? Did you just get the idea? Oh, it was just one of those crazy ideas. Okay,
like
beautiful, beautiful.